Hi, let me ask and answer some question in English. What time is it now? It is past 8 in the morning. What day is it today? Today is Thursday. What is the date today? Today is May 9, 2025. What season is it now? Well, in Indonesia, we don't have 4 seasons, but right now it's the dry season. Hey, Rina, what are you doing? Hi, Rina. I'm preparing slides for my English presentation. What about you? I've just finished editing my video for the assessment. That's awesome. I've been working on my science this morning. Wow, really? You must be tired. A little bit, but I want to get it done today.